This Math SAT Level 1 video from mathondvd.com and mathstutor.biz is one of 150 tutorial videos in this 3-test set. The set has 3 DVDs, each with almost 2 hours of video time, and 3 test papers, each of the test papers with 50 questions. For details and more free videos, please visit Math on DVD or mathstutor.biz. Math SATs Level 1, question 49. We've got a function, and f little minus 1 up there is the inverse function of it, and we've got to work out what 5 substituted into the inverse function is. So I think the first thing we need to do is to suss out what is the inverse function of this. Several ways of thinking about this. I'm going to say, if we was to substitute a number into there, in other words, if we were to work this out, we'd first off cube the 7 and then subtract 2. Therefore the inverse is to first off add 2 and cube root it, because we're talking about the reverse operations. This is an operation of cube it and subtract 2, therefore the inverse operation is to add 2 and cube root it. So there's my inverse function. So now I can work out what the inverse function of 5 is by substituting a 5 into here. So we're talking cube root of 7. Now, not all calculators have a cube root button. Mine does, so I can just type in cube root of 7. If yours doesn't have a cube root button, then you'll need to know how to do it with your calculator. Know your own calculator. That is in fact answer D, so question 49 is answer D. Visit mathondvd.com for more details of the available DVDs.